another beautiful day in La Posa South. But we're going to be departing La Posa South and we're going to head down to RoadRunner. And we're going to map the coordinates for the meetup for you along the way. So we're using the app What 3 Words to be able to communicate that with you effectively. And what that means for you is you'll be able to click on the link for the coordinates that I give you. And it will open in What 3 Words, but you can choose to navigate in Google Maps, for example. And we've picked a location that should be pretty easy for everybody to find. So when we leave the LTVA and get on to US 95 South up here, I will also clock the distance from the turn for La Posa South and Tyson Wash down to the turnoff for RoadRunner. But the first landmark you want to notice as you're heading south is milepost 99. So milepost 99 will tell you that you're getting pretty close to your turn for RoadRunner. If you're coming south out of Quartzsite, you'll be making a right turn off of US 95 South into RoadRunner, and there'll be a sign that says La Paz Valley. I'm gonna come out of La Posa South, and I'm gonna make a left-hand turn onto US 95. So just if you're really new to this, if I made a right-hand turn, I'd be going up into Quartzsite proper, but we're gonna make a left-hand turn. If we go straight across the road, we would be in La Posa Tyson Wash. So let me check my odometer here, 206.3. And I'm going to try and point out a milepost marker to you as soon as I see one. It's just a couple of miles south of here to the turnoff. And our turn, our What 3 Words turn, is going to be presumes.strawberries.dusted. I love What 3 Words, it's so much fun. Got a milepost marker coming up here. Let's see what it says. This is milepost 101. Just over 3 miles south, I think, of the turn from La Posa South. But I'll give you that exact number according to my odometer, which, you know, could be off by a tenth or so. So you can see we're coming up on milepost 99 here. We're right there. And then you can barely see the right-hand turn lane up here. And we're going to turn right at presumes.strawberries.dusted. Alright, we were 206.3 when we turned out of La Posa South. We are at 209.4, so that's 3.1 miles to our turn. And then we're going to continue down here past the main entrance. We're going to go down the road just a little bit. You can see somebody's got rally signs up there. There was a little rally sign up there. There's actually a rally sign up where we're going to turn in as well. And our next turn is going to be at recapture.ulterior.farce. Okay, this is going to be our next turn right here. And my odometer says 210, so that would be 0.6 of a mile from US 95. And we're going to go immediately over here to the left. This little sign right down here in front, to my right, says Escapees RV Club. But we can already see Barb back there. And I'm going to show you where we're going to end up. And the spot will be gatherings.soloists.zoom, which I think is kind of funny because I know a number of us who will be gathering are solo. So I thought that was kind of cool the way that worked out. We're 1/10 of a mile in so far. And I'm going to come around and kind of swoop in here so that you will be able to see the side of my rig from the road pretty clearly. And we're going to put a banner up on Henry on the right hand side, and we're going to put a feather flag. I think we're going to put it out by that saguaro right there by the roadway, but we'll see. So we're coming around like this, And you can see Barb right there. And now I got to find a place that's fairly level.
Wake up with the sun in our eyes. Sally forth, no need for goodbye.